Hey, what is good? So, what I'm going to be talking about, discussing about, and what I have in front of me is the got2b Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, the brand Schwarzkopf, if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So, pretty much just gonna give you the rundown, me using it and stuff like that. But anyway, so first of all, this is a gel that will actually really hold for a very long time. Like, for instance, if you're doing something maybe active, or if you're going to be out, I don't know, sweating, I presume, I guess. This is something that would definitely give it a nice hold. I actually discovered this when my stylist actually used this and just another oil-based edge control, just so it gave it a little bit of texture, also so it won't flake so much. Because when using this product by itself, to me, it actually does give it a flake. But I love the hold. So when she first did a mixture, my instinct was just like, okay, this is the reason why she uses both, so it won't be so flaky, and give it a nice shine, a nice moisture, especially around the edges, and just give it a nice hold. Because sometimes just a regular oil-based edge control, sometimes by itself, depending on your hair and what your hair wants to do, it's gonna curl up, wave up, do whatever, instead of laying flat, slick, and smooth. So with this, actually, it gives that. It gives it that nice, slick, smooth, very neat and clean texture to when you're applying it on your hair, especially around the edges. This is really what I only use it for. I don't really use it for my whole head, just use it for the edges. And so, but it comes in this container. I haven't seen any other ones. I know there's always different prices from each one, and you can tell I don't really use too much, because it lasts for a while, because all you need is like really a small drop, probably like the size of my mole right here, when you're applying it, especially around the edges. And the thing what I do is that, like getting ready, you gotta get your edges all laid and everything else too. And after, when I, get it to where I like it to look, or how I like what I see, just apply like a scarf around it and just do, I don't know, and just kind of do your other stuff until you feel as though, like, okay, I feel like it's sticking enough, and then take a scarf off, and it will definitely come out smooth and just really neat. The only thing that I would recommend is that if it does tend to turn white, just get a little bit of another oil-based edge control. For example, something like, let me see, I'm trying to think of the edge controls I use. Oh, TGIN. Yeah, thank God it's natural. Yeah, their edge control, I actually love using that. And sometimes if you do like a mix with that, it'll alleviate the whiteness. Like if you, I don't know, went to sleep and you woke up, you got white flakes all over, apply some of that. And I'll probably say a very small dime size, like not even a dime size, smaller than a dime of this, and apply most of the other edge control that's like a kind of like an oil based, if that makes sense. And I would say probably use about that much, about this much, just to get the flakes away, but you still want to have that nice hold. Yeah, I mean, this is some holding stuff. Now, I ain't gonna lie, this stuff is hold. Now, I don't know about this. I don't know. To me, that's to me. I don't know. I guess it depends on your hair and like how you style it and stuff like that. I presume. I don't know. I don't know. So, first of all, I'm going to talk about the smell. It has like it smells like gel, but it kind of has like that a light fruit smell to it, which smells pretty good. I never really paid attention to the smell before. Okay, and this is what the gel actually looks like as I turn it around. Looks like that. So, oh Lord, I've been eating all under my fingernails. Oh gosh, this is so real. But anyway, sorry to see that. I kind of had a banana and try to do this right quick. But anyway, anyway, let me stay on topic. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So, you know, gel, I mean, it doesn't have like a heavy consistency to it at all. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on it now because I'm not wasting any product at all. But yeah, I mean, I really don't have an issue with it. It's just for me. I think it's because it's gel, and some like water-based products sometimes tend to leave like a flakiness to it. I mean, I don't really see or feel anything wrong with it. I mean, I use this when I really need something to hold. Like if I'm gonna be out for a while, this is when the mixing comes in. But if I'm just like running to the store right quick, then yeah, I'll use something else. But if you're talking about I'm gonna be going like, I don't know, like be gone all night, yeah, this is when this styling gel comes into play. So again, I recommend mixing. You don't have to, but I know me with my hair, and my hair is curly and wavy, by the way, it's natural state, I gotta mix. I got to. My hair is just like, no, we gotta get a little mixing going on. But anyway, again, this is the got2b Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. And the hold, I forgot to say, the hold, that's what the 4 meaning that it's like a 4 hold, I believe. Yeah, so. Yep. Alrighty.